as recuperative care like a hospital. I just experience shelter discrimination. Okay, so what did I say on your message? I've left a lot of messages.
You just said to call you back.
I wouldn't have left a message like that. I would have gave details. I would have. What do you help with? Legal representation?
I'm sorry?
What kind of legal representation do you help with?
We mostly represent U.S. agencies, but I'm just saying that's the message you left on our voicemail. So
I don't know what kind of. If you don't want to give me services, why did you call? Someone was talking to me about some kind of recuperative care. I get these calls all the time to interrupt services and help. And then they're taught me dangle services they don't anticipate upon giving me, like they're eavesdropping and know what's going on in the background. It already happened earlier when I was talking to domestic violence organizations. I got prank calls on another phone from businesses.
I'm not sure what exactly you're.
Well, you're really not making sense. You don't want me to know what you represent? What kind of? You help with civil rights?
I'm sorry. If you're not needing if you're not having anything else for our office to assist you with, or you can't tell me why you called our office, then I don't really.
I feel like I'm being gaslit like at Denny's. I said, do you help with civil rights? You don't want clients? As an attorney, law firm?
Civil rights is something our office does. However, again, I'm just returning the call because you left.
I don't know. It doesn't seem like you want clients like Denny's did, or customers. Yeah, I need. Sorry, if I need, or you don't want me to get the services or the legal representation. I still have civil rights issues going on.
I understand. I'm returning a call to understand why you're calling the office. You didn't explain on your voicemail why you left the voicemail.
I'm repeating it over and over. I have civil rights issues. I'm being violated by PD, state to state, and they're listing numerous accomplices to violate my rights and scams, and then terrorize me too, emotionally.
So it's a civil rights violation.
There's numerous things you won't tell me what you help with. I get calls like this all the time. Emotional abuse to dangle services that they have no intention of giving me and cause emotional distress. It's like a form of a prank call.
For civil rights violations, if you are trying to file something in our office, you will have to go online and file a complaint.
So you don't want to represent me? Not with your office. I'm trying to get your legal representation. That's why I left the message.
Our office mostly represents U.S. agencies. However, there are times where someone can file a civil rights complaint to be assessed whether or not it's something our office can take on.
I get these calls years. It's impossible to get legal representation. I've been trying to get it years. I have a great lawsuit. Nobody will represent me. And I'm in a legal crisis right now. I have a lot of massive legal issues and have not been deprived of my right of legal representation. They terminated my rights at family court and then made CPS, removed CPS from the scenario in corruption and didn't give me an attorney then. And that's against the family code in Texas to terminate indigent parents' rights and not give them an attorney. So then they made CPS disappear because they didn't follow the family code. And they arrested me at CPS for trying to get to the bottom of how they disappeared. And I knew the caseworker's name. They terminated my rights in the scam, and the court let the documents get altered because they committed crimes at CPS. And so the court called security because they incriminated themselves. There is just a massive amount of corruption that I can't get legal representation to combat. She hung up. Are you there? Yeah, she hung up.